Hi you guys, welcome to my channel, and I got a special seller that sent me this hood lifter, so for me to install on the 2015 Rav4. So the hood lifter kit come with two lifter. I got the carbon fiber one. They have a whole bunch of other color if you want it. So I put the link on my description, my video description, so if you like it, go ahead and check it out. And you got a 2 bracket, and you got 2 bolt, and they give you this special tool that help you with the screw. I'll show you useful later on. And they give you instruction manual right here. So let's get started. So what you want to do is this thing is for hooking up the screw so you can screw in. So let's go over there and start doing it. So what you want to do is install a screw in the first hole, this one right here, the bolt. So you got the bolt, put in the spacer, and the first hole is the one. Now you're going to use this special tool to line up in there so you can screw it in, line up the nut. So you can take it out. So just go ahead and screw it in. You done with the first one? So that is done right here. So what we're going to do is you're trying to remove the top screw first. So here's the bracket you're going to use. Basically it's going to stick out like this. So make sure this is inside, okay? So what you do is you remove the top one first. slide in the bracket, put it in an angle like this, and trying to screw in enough so it holds in this hood, and then you loose the bottom one. Since the bottom one have this angle right here, as you can see, so you lose it enough so you can get that in. There you go. After you get that in, tie it up. That's it for that side. Now we're gonna do for this side. Basically, you're doing the same thing. Unscrew this first, the top screw first. So you make sure you put this thing outside, okay? Now you get enough to stuck this bracket in, and now you tie it up. Now tie the bottom bracket in, bottom screw in, or both. same thing with this side. First hole, you got the spacer on, the nut, the bolt, and then the spacer inside it, and then you use this tool to get it in, so you can bolt down. Done, you just pull it out and then just tie it up. Okay, it's all good. Now we get that done. Now let's go ahead. Look how nice and tight. Let's look good on this side too. And let me show you how to put in the lifter. Now the lifter is special, right? This one is special because they have this little pin right here, as you can see. I hope you can see the pin right here. So we have this little pin right here. Okay, that's pin. So basically you have to lift that pin up. See, and then it come out. Come out. See that pin go up like this. 2 hole. So you need to remove that before your installation. So let's do the installation. Okay, now what you want to do is you want the big part is on the top. Plug it in. Use a pin. Install the pin. Snap it in. And then do the same thing at the bottom. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So this side, remember to remove the pin. And also it's more convenient if you take out the prop rod. So I'll go ahead and take the pin out. As you can see. Remove the rod. Easy. Snap it in. Make sure everything's. You Make sure everything is 100% in, as you can see. Same thing with this side. Sorry about the noise, because right now is Lunar New Year, so they're doing firecracker. So you got everything in, look good. And let me try to get the tool out. Get the tool out, and let's test it out, okay? Okay, so now let's try to put the hood down and then raise the hood up and see how it works. One more time. It's good. Raise the hood up. Look like everything is working good. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. Just make sure you check everything is snug in tightly, so you don't get anything, you know, snap out of line. Same thing with this side. Remember the first hole, okay? This one, make sure the pin is in. Make sure the pin is very important. The pin is the one that keeping this thing in. So everything looked good, as you can see. So I have the link for this hood lift support under the description. So if you like what you see, go ahead and click on that link and get yourself one. It's really this is the 2015 LE model, so the basic model. So having this in this hood lifter support in really you know, really good upgrade for the car. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, all right, bye.